Hi, and welcome to Alva Tech Torqs, a series where we answer technical questions about motors and motion in under a minute. Today's question is, what are the key elements of good thermal management in compact applications? In compact applications where space and option to evacuate losses may be limited, a good thermal management is paramount to reduce overheating risks and ensure optimal motor performance. The key elements of this process can be broken down in two categories: active and passive cooling. For passive cooling, the selection of materials with high thermal conductivity and specific heat capacity plays a major role in heat distribution. Also, having efficient conductive path and using the surrounding structure as a heatsink can be highly beneficial. This goes hand in hand with using high-performance thermal adhesives. For active cooling, several methods exist, such as cold plates, water jackets, heat pipes, or focused airflow on local hotspots. CFD models are usually a great tool to identify strategic cooling solutions. Finally, special attention should be paid to minimize motor losses with the motor design itself. This is achieved with iterative EM designs and optimization on size, weight, and power consumption. Thanks for watching this episode of Alva Tech Torqs. Have a question? Drop it in the comments and we might feature it next time.